So we're gonna try fix this exhaust today. It's really loud. V-band leaks like a sieve. Sounds like a trumpet blown for a wet paper bag. I have no mufflers, no cat, no nothing.
Right to jail, right away.
He's coming off. As you can see, it's a nice big straight 3.5 inch pipe.
That's heaps sick, eh?
It makes some good noise, but the thing is so loud, and yeah, I can't drive like this. It's just stupid. Cops can pull me over. The thing's not too legal with this new motor in it.
Right to jail, right away.
So dump pipe, the V-band joint is done. The rest of the exhaust is getting done now. So I'm gonna weld these two pieces. Just melt some metal together, glue it together. You know, bit of stick here, bit of stick there. Now I do it with the TIG. Weld the flexi to him. Weld that, or bring the dump pipe, make it tight, and weld him off. Weld some pretty colors, you know, for that Insta-fame crap, and let's go. So here we have dump pipe, flex pipe on the V-band, dump pipe, this little stubby muffler thing. It's meant to take out the rasp, and that's it. Make it a little bit quieter, and then this piece. Muffler goes on that end, flex, dump pipe in this ding. So ready to go back under this bucket of bolts. Oh, I don't know if it's quieter or louder. There's a nice idle. It's not bad. It's not too bad for idle if I drive around slowly. I think it takes a bit of that stupid raspy trumpet noise out of it. Probably find out, we jump in the car, we'll have a go. Well, it drives alright. Just a little bit noisy. Noisy and laggy. There's 4th gear at 80. Foot down, flat. Then it comes on. Super laggy. Third is better. Now let's try third. Okay, yeah, I know, it's steering wheel. It's nice and crooked. I need to give it alignment. This needs to be pulled back together. It's veg wild. Computer sitting on this. Veg trim not fitting right, but doesn't sound too bad. It's quiet enough. Fuel pump's noisy enough. Here it's not so noisy. Got to fix that rocker cover, valve cover paint, it's horrible. And yeah, give this bad boy clean. So it runs nice and smooth, sounds good. Running 10 pounds in the spring, goes alright. I want it more spicy, but I don't want to blow this thing up on the road myself. I can press lots of up buttons, but who knows what's going. So hopefully next week get it tuned or so and full skits.